you're saying you want to become data driven, they put a plan together, and I see a lot of talking about the strategy, and some brilliant strategy has been written, but then things fall apart in execution because of, quite simply, business value, misaligned expectations, expecting these things can be done really quickly when they can't. This stuff takes time. It's not like
Yeah.
you can go and do something in the shape of a few months. I mean, I used to use this example back in consulting world quite a lot. We could build you a best of breed data platform, right, that's got all the bells and whistles in less than 6 months, easily.
Why not need it? Yeah.
Will that be something that is future proof? Will that be something that kind of
Mhm.
transcends throughout your whole organization? Is that the thing that solved all of the problems you've had? No, it's part one.
Yeah, that's true.
And then the other thing I also use is, and I've seen this a number of times, is when partners go, right, okay, so that example, we can build you a best of breed data platform or data ecosystem in less than 6 months. And then they go and try and do that in the public sector, into central government or into financial services, and they completely forget about the regulation, the fact that there is documented and formal processes that you have to go through,
Yeah.
the people that then get involved in all of that, the privacy and everything else that has to come into play, and just the knock-on effect, right? And that 6 months quickly turns into 2 years before you're achieving that kind of output. So sorry, I offloaded quite a lot there. I'm
That
ahead.
was really dense, but really useful. That was really useful because you elaborated, you went into various angles to being data driven. You also talked about that whole true data culture. So you put it so well. It's so well put. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. And on that same subject, and I know you kind of did a bit of that, but could you share a real world anonymized story of a company that tried to implement an exciting AI project but failed because their data foundation was weak? And what's the key lesson there?